Hello and welcome in the lesson number 5. In this lesson we're gonna learn for loops. In the previous lesson we learned while loops, and now we're gonna learn another kind of loops. Let's say that we have a variable called animals, and it's a list. As you see, we already learned lists in the second lesson, and we learned that there is a kind of or a type of variables of data that is a list. So let's say just a cat and a dog and I don't know, like ant. Let's put one more, lion. All right. So now what we want to do is go through each animal and say hello and then the animal name. So that means we want to just say hello cat, hello dog, hello ant, hello lion. So we want to do it without doing it like that. Hello. And then what should we do here? We can do animals and then brackets 0, which is going to be cat because animals, and then the first element, which is 0, is going to be cat. If you want to just do it for dog, we do it like that, and then ant, and then lion. We put here just a space because we need it, and then we run it. It's gonna say hello cat, hello dog, hello ant, hello lion. But you got the idea. Just like the while loops, if we're gonna do this and we have a bunch of animals, let's say 100 animal in this list, it's gonna be a lot of coding. So to avoid this, we can use the for loops. For, and then we put here a variable. Let's say we want to just put animal, since we have animals. For each animal in animals, so from each animal inside the list animals, we want you to print hello animal, and that's it. 2 lines of code is going to do the thing. If we run it again, by code.py, and you see hello cat, hello dog, hello ant, hello lion. So what we are doing here is just going through each one of those, each element from this list for each animal. And here you can put anything, any variable name. Here you choose the name that you want. For example, we can say just let's give it an A, for example. So it's gonna work because this variable is just a variable that you can call whatever you want. So if we just try it right now, it's gonna work the same way. But it's always preferred and recommended to put it, like if you have a list called animals, it's better to have it an animal here, a single animal. So here we're interacting with a single animal. And that's it for the list. Let's say you don't want to go through a list. Let's say you just want to print. You want to just create a counting, just like with the while loop. We did with while loop, counting from 0 to 10. What you can do is doing for and underscore in range from 0 to 10. You can do that, or just range 10. It's gonna start from 0. But if you want it to start from 1, you can do 1 here. If you want it to start from 2, you can do 2 here. But you get the idea. So you put this if you don't want it to assign any variable here. But let's say we want to just assign I so that we can just print it. Let's try it. It's counting from 0 to 9. Ouch, it's not counting to 10. If we want it to count from 1 to 10, we do it like that. and it's gonna stop at 9. So you gotta just add a 1 here. You see, from 1 to 10. And if you don't want it to put any variable here, you just don't put it. And let's say that we want to just print high 11 times or 10 times. And here we are. So range is going to work the same way. And remember, this is just so that you don't have to put any variable name here. You can't put any variable name here, you see? It's not gonna throw an error. You see, it's working. But it's always recommended to not put anything if you don't need anything here. And that's it for the loops. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.